Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
There was a heat wave on Cuddles Avenue and everyone was trying to stay cool.
Oh, 3 icy cold ice creams, Morgan.
I hope they're very cold, Rat.
Oh, cold? They've just come out of my super freezer. You won't find ice cream any colder. Trust me.
Oh, thank you, Rat.
Oh, it's so hot. Oh, careful! Oh, no! Oh, cheese and whiskers. Oh.
The bananas were at the beach trying to cool off.
I'm still feeling a bit hot, B1. Can you fan a bit faster, please?
How's that, B2?
Perfect, B1.
No, it's not, B2. My arms are tired and I'm hotter than ever.
Sorry, B1. You sit down and I'll do the fanning.
Oh, thank you, B2.
Oh, you're right, B1. It is too hot for fanning. Far too hot. Oh, the sea looks inviting, B1.
Oh, very, very inviting, B2.
Just right for a cool swim.
There's just one problem, B2.
What's that, B1?
We can't swim.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
Oh, it's too hot to think, B2. Rain!
Oh, yes, we need rain. Then everything will be nice and cool.
Lulu and Amy found the coolest spot in the house.
The icy wind scattered snow and ice and rain as it swept across the iceberg. Are you feeling cold yet, Lulu?
No, I'm still hot. How about you?
Oh, very, very hot, Lulu.
Ice cream! Ice cream!
Icy cold ice cream!
There!
Oh!
No! They've melted!
There must be another way of getting cool.
Why don't we go to the park?
Oh, yes, and have a paddle in the pond!
Good idea, but we mustn't forget to take a set umbrellas.
Yes!
The teddies found quite a good way to keep cool.
My feet are cold.
But the rest of me's still hot.
Oh, can you see what I see?
It's the bananas! Bananas? What are you doing dressed in raincoats and umbrellas?
It's not raining, it's hot. Well, we thought if we got dressed up for rain, it would give the clouds the right idea, teddies.
Oh, bananas! Don't you know it never rains when you bring your umbrella?
Oh, dear.
Well, I wish there was something we could do to make it rain.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. It's rain dance time. Ha!
So everyone danced to make the rain come.
Rain, rain, come today.
Make the heat go away. Rain, rain, come on down. Cool the air and wet the ground.
Feel any rain yet, B1?
Can't say I do, B2.
Teddies?
No
bananas!
Oh, let's try again.
Yes!
Rain, rain, come today. Make the heat go away. Rain, rain, come on down. Cool the air and wet the ground.
Oh, no, rain!
Oh, never mind, bananas.
Oh, guess we better pack up and go home.
Everyone ran as fast as they could for shelter. And down came the rain.
Snap!
Oh, this rain is just what we needed.
It is, isn't it? Oh, thank you, bananas.
Not a problem, Teddies.
It rained and didn't stop all day. The rain dancers stayed inside, enjoying being cool
Cool
again.
now, B2. Thank you for helping us, Teddies. It's pouring down out there.
Problem, bananas.
You want inside?
Oh, I love the thunder and the lightning, B2. Very rain dancers. No doubt about it. Cool and all the plants have been grown. And rain. Look at the park in the rain, B2. I think we should put an alcohol and play in the big one. Yes, let's go out for a splash.